Did you know Pikachu was inspired by a real animal? Meet the Pika, a tiny mountain puffball that might be the cutest creature you've never seen. With its round body, big cheeks, and constant squeaks, the Pika looks like it jumped out of an animated film. But it's not just cute, it's smart too. Since it doesn't hibernate, the Pika spends summer gathering flowers and grasses, drying them, and building little haypiles to snack on all winter. If that melted your heart, like the video and subscribe for more adorable and surprisingly smart animals.